All right, BG is back. Look, I got the hood done. It's looking real nice and beautiful and flavorful. You know what I'm saying? Real wet. You know, like that. Love it. It's beautiful, man. It turned out real good. Like I said, once I got the hand of that gun and understanding the pressure and all that important stuff, man, it seems like I got it pretty down. So slight orange peel, like I said, that's normal. I mean, it can be buffed out, no problem. It's not bad at all. It's pretty good for real. And it's pretty wet. Look at it. My voice is hoarse because even though I wear a face mask, I've been working on this body work for the last 2 weeks. And I know I'd inhaled more fiberglass than I should have inhaled in dust and particles, but I've been staying pretty protected. But yet still, it's gotten to my lungs a bit and to my throat. So, got a little upper respiratory thing going on here. But look at it, check it out. It's a beautiful thing. Alright, it's wet. So what I showed last night is still as smooth as it is. That's good. It didn't shrink. It hardened, but it didn't shrink. Or look worse. Sometimes cheap paint will do that. This is some good stuff. So yeah, it could be wet sanded to make it perfect. A couple little bugs and dust, but nothing I can do about that. Just gotta wet sand it down. See, pretty good reflection up out of that. Yeah. More to come. That's how she sits now. Next thing to do now is finish sanding some of the finer crevices. Wash it again, spray it out real good, blow it out, make sure all that dust gets up out of the corners and whatnot, so it doesn't come back onto the paint as it'll start spraying. So it's going to be done. I give it another week. I'll probably have everything done, painted at least, and put back together. So I'm happy so far. But yeah, like I said, the paint thing I got down. So now it's just the process of getting it done. I'm gonna do that car. I'm gonna do the rest of that car all at one time. Once I get everything masked off and cleaned up again. Everything is down low. The hardest parts really are done. The hood. I mean, the quarter panels, it's so much blending work that got put into that. So with enough sealer, that should turn out real good. A lot of work went into getting that straight and keeping that body line going across the top right there. That line right there. Ooh, that was hard. I mean, that's all fiberglass. That was all me right there. Yeah, that's crazy. That was some serious work. So, proud of that. It's gonna be beautiful when it's done. It's going to be beautiful, one of a kind. All right, more to come.